Hello, we are Team InfantSOS, Seat Overheating Solution, a team of engineers from Rice University that are dedicated to saving children from injuries and deaths in hot cars. Since 1998, 637 infants have died nationwide from being left and forgotten in a parked, overheating car. The internal temperature of a parked car can reach up to 106 degrees Fahrenheit on a hot, sunny day. Meanwhile, the body temperature of an infant rises 3 to 5 times faster than an adult's. In the hot summer months, a child dies in a hot car about every 2 days. A tragic yet preventable statistic. No child should die in a hot car. Our goal is to reduce the number of these deaths to zero and ensure the safety and well-being of every child in a car seat. Our device, unlike any other available product, is a car seat accessory that can be attached to any existing car seat, which will alert parents and secondary contacts if the child is left in the car and simultaneously keep the child cool. The main functions of the InfantSOS device are to detect the presence of the infant, visually and auditory alert parents to the child's presence in the car, send text message alerts to the parent and secondary contacts, and keep the infant cool. When designing our device, we aim to meet the following criteria: for the device to alert caregivers successfully at 99.7% reliability, for the total cost of the device, including both electronic and cooling components, to be under $100 so it is affordable for many parents, for the device to be user-friendly with the cooling pad easily removable and the setup time under 3 minutes, and finally, for the cooling pad to effectively keep the infant's core temperature below 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, giving the primary and secondary caregivers enough time to respond and save the infant. To use the device, the parent must first install it in the car seat. All the parent needs to do is simply attach the pad to the car seat before placing the child in the seat. Then the parent turns on the controller and can enter phone numbers. Up to 10 contacts can be saved on the device. The installation is simple and takes less than a few minutes. Even with the device installed, it's still easy to buckle the child inside the car seat. The car is parked out on a sunny day in Houston, Texas. When the device detects that the car is parked, the infant is in the seat, and the clip is buckled, it will begin alerting the parent. 30 seconds after parking, the attached LEDs will illuminate and chime will ring. This combination of visual and audio cues will notify the parent to remove the child and alert anyone passing by there's a child in the car. Here, a passerby sees the LEDs while walking across the parking lot, notices an infant trapped in the vehicle, and immediately calls 911. If the infant is not removed from the car after 5 minutes, the device will send text messages to the primary caregiver's phone number. Here, the parent receives a text in the middle of work and realizes his mistake. If the infant still is not removed from the vehicle after 15 minutes, the device will send text messages to any secondary contacts. While going for a walk, another contact receives a text that the infant is trapped in the vehicle. Here, the parent comes to remove the child from the car. Luckily for him, the pure temp phase change material in the cooling pad activates at temperatures over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Placed on the child's back, the solution protects the core body temperature of the infant, effectively keeping it under 100 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 1 hour. As soon as the child is removed from the seat, the alert system turns off. In conclusion, our device monitors the infant's presence in the seat, the device status of the car, the internal car temperatures. It sends text messages to both primary and secondary contacts, and the LEDs are bright enough to alert parents and passerbys. The cooling pad will keep the infant's core temperature under 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour as a backup defense. The device is easy to use and can be set up within 3 minutes or less. The cost of our prototype is about twice the ideal cost of $100, but we believe that with mass production, this cost can be reduced significantly. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and we believe that with further development, the InfantSOS car seat accessory can become a widely used device that will reduce the number of infant deaths in hot cars to zero.